Hey guys, Tech Doc here. Today I'll share 5 computer shortcuts and tricks everyone should know. Press Windows plus V to open the clipboard and see all the items you've copied before. Press Windows plus Ctrl plus D to create a brand new desktop. You can make multiple desktops to stay organized and switch between them with Windows plus Ctrl plus arrow keys. Need emojis anywhere? Press Windows plus full stop to open the emoji keyboard. Accidentally closed a browser tab? Press Ctrl plus Shift plus T to bring it back instantly. Want to check your laptop's battery health? Open Command Prompt and type PowerKFG's battery report. This will generate a full battery health report you can open in your browser. Pretty useful, right? Hit subscribe and tap the bell for more quick tech tips.